going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play 10,000 Hours by Dan and Shay and Justin Bieber. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or I'll elbow drop your grandma off the top rope. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song's in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 3rd fret. You're only using a few different chords, and if you need any of these chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It's got a lot of really useful information in there for you guys, plus all the major chord diagrams. So if you need that, once you get done with the video, jump into the video description. It is there for you. So this song really is just pretty much one chord progression that's played throughout the entire song, and then it has a little bridge in it that's just a little bit different, but it's only played twice. I'll show you the entire chord progression for the song and the bridge, and then I'll also show you the little picking pattern that they do at the very beginning, so let's jump into it. You're going to start here with a G major chord. It's going to be 3, 2, 0, 0, 3, 3. Then you're going to go to this version of an E minor. It's going to be 0, 2, 2, 0, 3, 3. Then you're going to go to this version of a C. It's going to be 0, 3, 2, 0, 3, 3. And then the only other chord you need to know is going to be B minor. It's 0, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. And then also just the standard version of a C, which is 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. Now the chord progression that just repeats throughout the entire song is going to be G major, E minor, C, G. And a strumming pattern that you can use for that is going to be down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, down. Once you get that down, we'll jump into the bridge. It's only 2 chords. It's going to be that B minor, and then it's just going to go to that regular C, and it just goes back and forth between those 2 twice. And a strumming pattern that you can use for that part there is going to be down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Once you have those 2 parts down, that really is just the entire song. Now I'll jump into the kind of beginning part that they play and how you can play, you know, kind of something a little bit more fun there in the beginning. They definitely start off with a hammer-on on D from open to 2, and then G string open, and then they jump into that G chord. And then when they get to that C chord, I kind of I'm plucking the strings. My thumb is on my A, my index is on my D, my middle is on my G, and my ring is on my B. I'm plucking all of the strings all at the same time, 1, 2, 3. And when I'm doing that, I'm hammering on to the 2nd fret of my A string again, or my D string again. So hammer on, take it off, pluck, and then take both your middle and keep your index off, and pluck again, and then 4th time on the G. And for that, my index, middle, my ring finger are plucking the same strings. I'm just plucking the low E when I go to my G chord with my thumb. So hammer on, take it off, take middle finger off, G chord. So there you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with a free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.